Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I don't make a YouTube video. It's probably been about 6 months. I've been super busy. Anyways, today I'm going to be installing a Replica Type R front lip that I have. I bought this one thing, man, I think it was back in December. And it was sitting in my garage, but I've been so busy lately. And well, today I'm planning on installing it. I just have it hanging in there for now. It came with this hardware. Probably about 10 screws or so. This is what it looks like right now. I just have to get it bolted on in here. It's just hanging. I'm not gonna get it painted for now. It's very cold here in Denver, so I'm just gonna wait until summer most likely, and then probably update you guys. And I'm also gonna add a one of those red piping stripes, just like I did on the sides. So once I'm done, it should look the same.
I forgot to mention that it didn't come with instructions, but the spoiler has some markings in the bottom. Like, see, there's one here. There's another one here, so I put my screw there, and there's about 6 of them all the way down. You have 10 screws, so I'm assuming 6 here and 2 here. Right now I just have 1, and then I will set the other one when I'm done installing it. Alright, so I'm finally done. I did this by myself and it took me about 35 minutes or so. Fairly simple installation. If you have someone else to help you, probably go a lot quicker. It's fairly simple. The tight is almost perfect. There's a little gap on the right side, but I'm sure it's just a matter of adjustments, especially doing it by myself. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.